Understanding peach crumble, a delicious English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase peach crumble. This is not just a tasty treat, but also a great example of how English uses food terms in interesting ways. Let's dive into the world of culinary phrases and discover what peach crumble really means. A peach crumble is a popular dessert made from peaches and a crumbly topping. The dessert involves layers of fresh or canned peaches at the bottom, followed by a mixture of butter, flour, and sugar, which is sprinkled over the top. This mixture becomes crumbly and golden brown when baked. It's a beloved dish in many English-speaking countries, especially during peach season. In English-speaking cultures, peach crumble is not just a dessert, it's a symbol of home-style comfort and simplicity. It's often associated with family gatherings, summer picnics, and warm, cozy afternoons. The phrase can evoke feelings of nostalgia and warmth, reflecting the comfort food aspect of this dish. In English, food terms often go beyond their literal meaning. Peach crumble can be used metaphorically. For example, someone might say, "This project is like a peach crumble," implying that it's a mix of different elements coming together to create something delightful. It's a great example of how English speakers use food phrases to add color to everyday language. Let's briefly talk about how to make a peach crumble. The key ingredients are peaches, flour, butter, and sugar. Some variations might include spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. The process is simple. Slice peaches, mix the topping, layer in a dish, and bake until golden. It's the simplicity and flexibility of the recipe that makes peach crumble a popular choice. I hope you enjoyed learning about peach crumble. It's a delightful dessert and a perfect example of English phrases that are as rich in meaning as they are in flavor. Whether you're enjoying an actual peach crumble or just savoring the language, there's a lot to appreciate. Happy learning and bon appétit!